Welcome to our tutorial about working with dimension styles. First, let's go to the Annotate tab. From this drop-down menu, we can select a dimension standard. The standard type is selected. I've got Dynamic Input toggled on. In order to open the Dimension Style Manager, I can just type D right in the drawing area and press Enter. Let's close this window. You can also click this arrow in the bottom right corner of the Dimensions panel. Here we see the current dimension style, standard, and the number of available styles. On the right-hand side, there's a preview of the selected dimension style. Here we've got some options: Set Current, New, Modify, Override, etc. Let's click Modify. We're on the Lines tab. Here we can adjust the dimension lines and the extension lines. We can choose a color. We can choose a line type and a line weight. Any changes I make here are reflected immediately in the preview window on the right. The Modified Dimension Style window gives us many options, most of which are self-explanatory and similar to other text editors that you have worked with. If you do need help with a particular option, you can click the Help button in the bottom right of the window, or you can press F1 while this window is open. Let's go to the Text tab. On this tab, we specify the text style. We can choose a font style, regular, bold, italic, and so on. Let's cancel out of the Text Style window. And let's change the height of our text, for example, to 0.36. Text alignment, let's opt to align it with the dimension line. Let's go to the Primary Units tab now. On this tab, we specify the unit format. I have decimal selected. We can also choose the precision. Let's change to 2 decimal places. Now let's click OK. And close. And this concludes our tutorial about working with dimension styles.